Modified oil pump from Driftmotion. Gonna open up. Part number. Seems like they do send you a brand new oil pump modified. There's a video showing the internals of what is modified, and also on the website there's explanation of what is modified and how it works and why it's better. You can find a lot more information online about the modification itself. This is gonna cover only the installation of the oil pump. Its installation is pretty much the same as any other oil pump for a 2JZ-GTE. See, yeah, you get a brand new OEM Toyota oil pump, but it's modified by Driftmotion for a better oil pressure. So if you're gonna run your car non-stock 2GTE, probably single big turbo, you want a good oil pressure, and it's almost the same price as a regular oil pump, so might as well just drop some extra cash on it. And what's up, we're gonna install a modified oil pump to the 2JZ-GTE. The installation is pretty much the same as a regular oil pump. First we're gonna remove this, which is the stock. Remove it, clean up everything, and after we're gonna install the modified one. Got it from this Driftmotion, and install the seals, O-ring, and that's it. That's it for this video. If you wanna see how to install an oil pump and remove one, stick around. We're gonna remove. This is the crank position sensor. This is the crank position sensor. You have to remove this crank pulley. Got this from AutoZone. This didn't come with the package. Have to get it from Home Depot. It's an M6. Just got a pretty easy. Okay, let's start. This is just a lock to put in place. Right here. Now keep turning. It's gonna keep pulling out. Okay, now the oil pump. Okay. Have 12 amp. Then we have to remove this one strip. Okay, that one is tight. I'm gonna have to use the torque. Didn't want to. Small, bad experience using a torque with a small bolt. Try one more time. Yeah, got it. This one. Okay, got all one. One bolt for position. We also have to remove the crank sensor. It's just one bolt, 10. I'm gonna remove it in a moment. These two on the bottom has to be removed. Okay. I'm gonna time lapse all this, so don't worry. I don't. Just like to take my time. Crank sensor. Might as well get a new one also, so I'm gonna order it. There's two bolts here. Maybe you don't see them because of the angle. It's not. That's bad. It's gonna drip some oil, so let's put something neat. That's better. These two. A different bolt, same size though, but it's different, so keep in mind, different. I'm gonna put it put it somewhere else. And let's see all this somewhere. Now, I have one right, last one right here. I have one here that is holding in position the pump. Looks like a 10. Yeah, it's a 10. It's actually not holding the pump, it's holding the line for the BVTI. Okay, now I'm gonna get something to pull this up.